I'm Allison Campbell, and I'm here with Nancy Hess in the Radiochemistry Annex of EMSL. So Nancy, can you tell me a little bit about yourself and this facility that we're in?
Sure. I started working here at PNNL about 20 years ago, and I started out in geochemistry and pretty much kind of stayed in that area ever since. And one of my dreams actually was to have a facility where people could look at radionuclides that are relevant for geochemistry and fate and transport and remediation and the whole deal. And after a lot of work, and most of it done by others, this facility came to fruition.
So to me, having a radiochemistry annex in EMSL really fulfills our ultimate vision.
Absolutely.
And our destiny, because we started being close to the Hanford site, understanding how to clean up, and the science behind that's really important. So how do you see this fitting into all of that and the vision for EMSL, and what's the reception from the user community out there?
Right. So Allison, that's exactly right. This user facility provides users the opportunity to look at radiological samples in an environment where they can use not just one technique, but multiple techniques. And this lab space was designed so that the movement of samples between these different instruments is almost seamless. And also there's this speed to solution when you're able to look at a sample in almost real time with two different techniques. Then you're able to compare the same sample, same age of the sample, during the same visit to the facility.
That's key for users. So how do we fit in amongst the international community? Because I'm somewhat aware of facilities similar to this in Europe and perhaps Asia.
In general, our capabilities are very compatible, and so we actually broaden the types of experiments that we can do.
We can leverage each other's strengths.
Absolutely.
Our users potentially could go there and do some things and so on.
And that's exactly right. So it is the community is not a huge community, but it's a very tight-knit community, and we're all friends and peers here working together.
So are we open?
We are open. We're very excited, and there's a lot of pent-up demand for these facilities.
So we're here with NMR, and kind of what other instruments do we have around the place here?
Sure. So ahead of us here is some EPR facilities. We also have XPS down the hall. We have an electron microprobe, scanning electron microprobe facility. We have extensive sample preparation and analytical capabilities with the ability to prepare the samples in atmosphere-controlled chambers, then do the quantitative analysis of their composition. We also have extensive TEM and FIB SEM capabilities for preparation of samples for electron imaging capabilities.
That's pretty cool. I'd say that's fairly comprehensive and not found elsewhere.
Oh, absolutely.
That's great.
Especially under one roof.
Any other questions?
No, I think that's it.
Well, thanks for spending the day.
It's a pleasure.